Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's more of just like an update for you guys. Really cool. So a lot of you know I've been launching I just did a video breaking down how much it cost me to launch two products this month alone. And one of them came in today. So, well, technically last night while I was sleeping. So I didn't have my PPC campaign on, no reviews. And today, as soon as I woke up, I saw that it was in stock, it was active. I turned on the PPC campaign, no reviews, and I already have a sale. So that shows, yeah, you can turn your PP, and it was profitable because it's only at $20 a day. And 5 minutes after I turned on the PPC campaign, it already has a sale. So what could I have spent? It was probably the first click that someone clicked on it. Shows the power of, optimizing your listing and making sure that's all set. If they're clicking through, they should want to purchase, right? They shouldn't have to click on your PPC campaign and then end up getting pulled away because they didn't add it to their cart. That's the hope, right? So yeah, it's been running for a couple hours now. Still haven't even spent the $20. Sundays are usually a little weird on Amazon. I don't usually make a lot of sales on Sundays anyway. But yeah, already made a sale on a new product with a profitable running PPC campaign already. So really cool. One sale on the first day is not odd. I would imagine by the end of the night we'll have maybe 3, 4, or 5 sales. It's really good for a first day with no reviews. So yeah, answering the question, can you turn on PPC without a couple reviews? I personally always do. I don't get what's the point of keeping traffic away from your listing on purpose? And on mobile, it doesn't even say, would you like to review this item up front? So you see the sponsored campaign, it just says Prime and the price, right? You click onto it. If your first picture is amazing, they'll click through. And then unlike desktop, most of Amazon customers are shopping on mobile anyway. It doesn't give that thing where it says like, be the first to review this item right under the title. It puts that lower down way in the description. So when you're looking on mobile, it actually just looks like, a really good first picture, a good price, and it says Prime. It looks fine. So I don't see the big deal about, waiting and like getting a couple reviews, waiting a couple days, then turning on PPC. As soon as it's up there, I want people seeing my listing because it's a great listing, it's a great product, it's a great differentiation. And that just proves it. I do this every time, but I've already got, still have no reviews. I did have a couple friends do, reviews for me, which is technically against TOS, but pretty sure every single Amazon seller does that, right? It's only a real issue if you're having, hundreds of people doing this for you. I got a couple gold star reviews or 5-star reviews, 2, literally just 2. And they're not even in yet because now Amazon takes like 2 or 3 days to review reviews. Yeah, but I still have no reviews on the listing because the reviews are pending, and I already made a sale with PPC. So that's a little update for you guys. We got our 3rd product in making sales now. Hopefully within the next week I'll be organically ranked on the first page. Not hopefully, I will for sure. And I have another product coming in, totally different product. It's scheduled to be delivered tomorrow. Don't know how accurate that is, but for the most part that seems to be pretty accurate when it says, scheduled delivery date. My other one came in on time, so there's no reason to think that one won't. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I'll have another launch to go over with you guys, and what I'm gonna be doing, stay tuned, because I'm gonna be actually going over my exact numbers for launch. How much did it cost me to get ranked? I'm always saying you could start with $1,000, but can you really? We're gonna be going over that, so stick around and stay tuned. Yeah, how much am I spending on PPC? How long did it take to get to the first page organically? Is it profitable the whole time? How many units you gotta sell? That'll all be coming up. So yeah, if you haven't already, you can learn exactly how I sell on Amazon through my course. First link in the description. It's pay what you want. I'm not plugging my product here, well, I technically am, but go get it for a penny. That's literally the lowest amount you could get it for. It's a $300 course. I've had literally over 10 people tell me now that it's better than any $500 or $1,000 course they've ever taken. So tons of information in there. You could learn how to sell on Amazon literally today. It's 8 hours long if you want to spend a whole day on it. But yeah, really excited to be sharing my progress with you guys. And I'm by no means, making $1 million a year on Amazon, but other people will. And I'm gonna get to that point, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey with me. So yeah, if you wanna start selling on Amazon, you can pick up the course in the description. If you have any questions about how my launch is going, or just wanna share your story with me, definitely hop in the comments as well. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.